Hi guys, it's me Teacher Gon. In our today's video, we will talk about ratio and proportion and yung target natin dito is to solve word problems tungkol sa mga concepts na to. By the way guys, kung mag-review tayo about the definition of ratio and proportion, when we say ratio, it is comparison between two different quantities or objects. Kapag sinabi naman natin proportion, yung simple way to describe or to define this one, proportion is a comparison between two different ratios. So without further ado, let's do this topic. So meron tayo ditong dalawang problem. At yung first problem natin, eto. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 3:4 is to 8. So ngayon, isipin mo ngayon, sir, bakit meron tayong triangle sa ratio and proportion? Guys, we can express the angles in ratio. So dito, yung ratio ng bawat angles natin is represented by 3:4:8. So ang tanong dito, how are we going to solve for this kind of problem? At ang tanong dito, what are the measures of each angle? So background lang guys, or another knowledge lang guys, pag meron tayong isang triangle, kahit anong klaseng triangle pa yan, isosceles, right, scalene, at equilateral triangle, always, yung mismong sum ng tatlong angles na meron tayo, this one is your angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Kung meron kang angle 1, pag inad mo siya sa angle 2, plus your angle 3, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Kahit anong klaseng angle pa yan. Or kahit anong klaseng triangle pa yan. So basically na kailangan natin gawin dito, guys, when we encounter this kind of problem, is to use this ratio. We have 3:4 is to 8. So ang gagawin natin dito, guys, ay ito. We will think of a variable na kung saan ang gagawin natin is we will use them to incorporate or para isama sa mismong 3, 4, and 8 natin. Para magiging ganito siya. Magiging 3n, 4n, and 8n. Since yung n yung napili ko. And since meron tayong knowledge na the sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180, we will add this expressions 3n plus 4n plus 8n, in which sila nag-represent ng ating ratio kanina rito. So our working equation will be 3n plus 4n plus 8n. And alam natin that the sum is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ngayon dito guys is to add these numbers or these expressions. Yung 3n natin plus 4n plus 8n, that will give you 15n. That is equal to 180 degrees. So, what will happen here is that you will divide 180 by 15. It's 180 divided by 15, and that will give you, cancel, your n is equal to 12. So, ngayon, ang isipan natin dito guys, yung 12 ba yung sagot natin? 12 degrees. 12 degrees ba yung magiging sagot natin? Hindi. Remember, na yung angles natin is represented by 3n, 8n, and 4n. Kasi ang tanong sa atin dito, what are the measures of each angle? So yung 3n natin, to get the value or the measurement of the angle represented by 3n, what you need to do is to multiply 3 by the value of n, which is 12. And that will give you the answer of 36 degrees. Ito yung measurement ng first angle natin. And as for the second angle, we have 4n. So what we need to do is to multiply the value of n, which is 12, by 4. 12 degrees. So this will give us the answer of 48 degrees. Ito na ngayon yung value ng ating second angle. And lastly, we have the third angle, which is represented by 8n, and that is 8 times 12 degrees. So what is 8 times 12? 8 times 12 is simply 96 degrees. Ibig sabihin guys, Yung measurement at tatlong angles natin are 36 degrees, 48 degrees, and 96 degrees. That's it, guys. Now, para naman sa ating second problem, we have here this problem. The salary of two workers is in the ratio of 3:4. Ito yung ratio ng kanilang salary. They received 12,250 pesos. Ito yung total na na-receive nila. How much did each worker received? So, alam natin na yung kanilang salary is represented by the ratio of 3:4. And ang total nun, kapag inad natin, ng salary na natanggap nila is 12,250. So, what you need to do is to use a variable, pwedeng n, pwedeng x. So, pero sa case natin ngayon, we will use n. And that will be 3n and 4n. So, we will add 3n and 4n, in which the sum is equal to 12,250 pesos. So what will happen next is that we will combine these two expressions, and this will give us 7n is equal to 12,250. So what you need to do is to divide both sides by 7. This will also divided by 7. Cancel, your n is equal to what? You need to divide 12,250 by 7. And the answer is 1,750 pesos. Ito pa lang yung value ng n. Pero remember, ang tanong dito, how much did each worker receive? So yung first worker natin, yung kanyang salary is represented by 3n. And we know that your n is equal to 1,750. So ang gagawin natin ngayon dito is that we will multiply 3 by the value of n, which is 1,750. So gagawin natin ngayon 1,750 times 3. And that is equal to this one, 5,250 pesos. Ito yung salary ng isang worker. And as for the second worker, pwede nyo naman gawin dito is to subtract 5,250 pesos from the total. Pero since meron tayo ditong representation for the salary of the second worker, which is 4n, ang gagawin mo lang naman dito is you will multiply 4 by the value of n, which is 1,750. So 1,750 times 4, and that will give us the answer of 7,000 pesos. Ganun lang siya kasimple, guys. Ito yung salary ng dalawang worker. For the first worker, we have 5,250, and for the second worker, we have 7,000 pesos. And I hope, guys, na natuto kayo sa mismong video natin on how to solve ratio and proportion problems. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe at i-hit mo na rin yung bell button for you to be updated sa ating latest uploads. Again, it's me, Teacher Gon. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!